Unlinking a bank account on TaskRabbit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Open the TaskRabbit app. Launch the TaskRabbit app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. Look for the option labeled Account or Payment Methods. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the account settings, find and select the Payment Methods section. This is where all your linked bank accounts and payment options are displayed. Step 4. Choose the bank account to unlink. Locate the bank account you wish to unlink. Tap on it to view more details and options related to that account. Step 5. Unlink the bank account. Look for the option that says Unlink or Remove next to the bank account details. Confirm your choice when prompted to complete the unlinking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be successfully unlinked from TaskRabbit. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to TaskRabbit support.